so go right ahead there. But you did vacuum the last 2 weeks, though.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look. See, I put the filter here?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look. What came up from a little bit of using the rainbow on the carpet. Check that out. This is incredible. So this is an indicator that that other vacuum is not doing anything. You can see it right there. Look at the sand too, the dirt. Look at all that. That was just one little Passover, yeah. So now what I'm going to do, and then we're done. And then probably one last question is how much is it, which I'll show you. And then this right here, that piece comes with it. That part comes with it.
For the vacuum piece?
For the vacuum piece, yeah. Now, if that vacuum, you have some of the attachments, we'll buy your old vacuum from you. So if you have some of the pieces, we'll give you credit for your old vacuum cleaner. All right, go like this, pop this on, go like this, put it on. Now, come on over here, give it a test drive so you can see how easy it goes. It's got the trigger starts it. So when you press the trigger, that starts the roller brushes to spin. So go ahead and squeeze that. You got it. Squeeze it. Yeah, squeeze it. Keep it squeezed. Now we're cleaning for real. Right now you're deep cleaning. Okay. No dust is coming out. No dirt is getting pushed in. So Dave, you can actually see it right there. That's the dirt that came out after one little pass on the. Look at all that stuff. And that's what you're breathing into your lungs. How's that feel?
Great.
Yeah, you don't need brooms, you don't need dustpans, you don't need vacuums. Use this for everything. And that's cleaning the air at the same time.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, there's no dirt coming out. All the dirt is going into the water.
Okay.
Well, let's check out. I'm curious to see the
water content.
Yeah, I'm curious to see what gets sucked up. All right, so go like this. Go like this. Go like this. Oh. No, that's amazing. So that's why you're wasting your time with the other vacuum. So if you don't get it, the dirt stays. But if you get the rainbow, the dirt goes because you're actually sucking it into the water. Wow. So that's a whole machine. And we even have a shampooer. So you can shampoo the carpets and you can shampoo the furniture with the rainbow also. So there it is.